question number 2A, first part. It is given to us that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle at B and BD is perpendicular to AC. Side AB is given 8 centimeter and side BC is given 15 centimeter. We need to find out the value of cos of angle ABD. Now students, in triangle ABD, it is also a right angle triangle. It is 90 degrees, so this is the hypotenuse. We have to find the cos of this angle. So this will be the base, this will be the perpendicular. And we all know that cos is base upon perpendicular, that is BD upon AB. But we don't know about the length of BD. So it will be very difficult to find the length of the BD by using the similarity, because you people have not learned the similarity right till now. So what I will do, I will mark this angle X, say. By the angle sum property of the triangle, this angle will be what? 90 minus X. Now in bigger triangle, in triangle ABC, this is 90, this is 90 minus X. Again from the angle sum property, this angle will become X. So instead of finding cos of angle ABD, which we have supposed X, we can easily find out the cos of C, because the angles are same. But for that we need AC, which can be easily found out. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is 8 square, BC is 15 square. 64 plus 225, 289. So AC is equal to plus minus 17, again neglecting the negative side, as we all know that the side of the triangle cannot be negative. Now cos of angle ABD, that is cos of X, which is what? Base upon hypotenuse. Now base is 15 and hypotenuse is 17. So cos of angle ABD is 15 by 17. Now second part, we need to find out tan of angle DBC. Okay, DBC. Now we clearly see that angle DBC is 90 minus X. As this whole angle is 90, this part is X, so this will be 90 minus X. So instead of finding this angle, 90 minus X, 90 minus will be same. So we will find out tan of angle A, which is equal to tan of angle CBD, yeah, DBC. So that will be tan 90 minus X, which is perpendicular upon base. Now perpendicular, this angle is considered, we are considering this angle perpendicular upon base, yes. This angle we are considering, so this will be the perpendicular side opposite to it in bigger triangle. So 15 centimeter is the perpendicular and 8 is the base, or 17 by 8 is the answer. Pause. Find the value of 3 cosec square 60 minus 2 cot square 30 plus sec square 45 degrees. Now students, this question is based on trigonometric ratios of standard angles. Now I taught you people how to form a table for the standard angles. If you can form it, that is much better, and if you have learned it, that is much more better. Okay, but I hope that if you people have practiced the exercise, so most of you have learned the table right now. But those who have a bit confusion or they are not confident enough, so kindly make a table. It will take a minute or two, so that you can put the correct values or the correct substitution over there. Now 3 cosec square 60. Now cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. The reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3, and we take square of it. Cot 30. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3 square. Sec 45. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Now cos 45 is 1 by root 2. The reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. The root 2 square. Now correct substitution in the correct places. any two substitution will be correct, we will get 2 marks. We have to substitute at 3 places, so any two correct substitution will give you 2 marks. Now for the calculation, 2 by 3 minus 2 into 3 plus 2. Okay, we got 2 minus 6 plus 2, or 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. 1 mark for this answer. Okay. Question number 2, C part. Now this is given to you, sine a plus b is equal to cos a minus b root 3 by 2. I will take sine a plus b root 3 by 2, and cos a minus b is also root 3 by 2. And the question is, we need to find out the acute angles A and B. Now, so as to find out the values of the two variables, we must form at least two equations in the same variables. For that, the two conditions must be given to us. Okay, this is given to us, that sine of angle A plus B is root 3 by 2 is the one condition from which we will form one equation, and cos A minus B is equal to root 3 by 2 is another condition, and from that we will form another equation. So again, sine A plus B. Now, which standard angle of sine has value root 3 by 2? That is sine of 60. On comparing, we can easily say that A plus B is equal to 60 degree. This is our first equation. Same way, cos A minus B, we all know that the cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this will give you A minus B is equal to 30 degree. This is second equation. As you people have learned in class 8 simultaneous equation, we got two equations in A and B. So we will solve them simultaneously and will obtain the values of A and B. So just substituting A minus B is equal to 30 over here, that second equation, and adding plus B minus B will be cancelled down. Twice of A is equal to 90, or A is equal to 45 degree. Substituting the value of A in either of the equation, either in 1 or in 2, you can easily get the value of B, that is 45 plus B. I am substituting in first equation. B is equal to 60 minus 45, or B is equal to 15 degree. Okay, 1 mark if either of the equation is correct. 1 mark for simply adding or subtracting. 1 mark for obtaining the correct answer. Question number 3, A part. If 4 cos square x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x lies between 0 to 90. What does it mean? X lies between 0 to 90. That means it lies in a first quadrant, or x is acute. Student, if the angle is acute, then all the trigonometric ratios will have a positive value.